ASC's AFCON figure AF735 is a fast-installing multi-sized lateral brace attachment designed to work with 1-inch through 2-inch brace pipe. It will work with 1-inch or 1 1/4-inch brace pipe right out of the box and with a quick adjustment to the hinge pins with 1 1/2-inch or 2-inch brace pipe. Distributors and contractors can reduce the variety of sizes in their inventory and gain increased flexibility on the job site to make last-minute adjustments without a trip to the supplier. The AF735 is also designed to be installed quickly, significantly reducing labor costs. The standard process of installing a lateral sway brace assembly requires 3 or 4 steps because traditional lateral brace design requires sliding the brace pipe through 2 openings. First, the lateral brace is loosely installed with the brace pipe at the system pipe attachment point. Next, the structural attachment is installed at the structure with the brace pipe. Finally, the lateral attachment is secured to the main pipe by tightening the hardware on the system attachment, completing installation. The AF735 installs in half the time, with a 2-step process thanks to its unique design. When installing a lateral brace to a sprinkler main, the installer using the AF735 can begin the brace assembly installation at the structural attachment side of the assembly. Then, the lateral brace attachment to the system pipe can be installed easily with the AF735, as it is designed to be installed from below. Open the hinges on either side of the strap and slide up over the sprinkler main. Then, flip the hinges over the brace pipe. The bolts will slide into the slots on the strap. Tighten the nuts until the heads break off. These specially designed break-off heads provide visual indication of proper installation torque. The AF735 is designed to fit 1-inch through 2-inch brace pipe. The hinge comes set with the pin in the A position. In this position, either 1-inch or 1 1/4-inch diameter brace pipe can be used. If a larger brace pipe is required for the job, simply and easily move the pin from the A to the B position. In this position, the AF735 will work with either 1 1/2-inch or 2-inch diameter brace pipe. The AFCON AF735 lateral brace attachment is both UL listed and FM approved. Its high load ratings are equivalent to our industry-leading AF035s, meaning its features provide functionality and performance where it really counts, in the design and layout of your seismic bracing system. Using our free SizeBrace seismic fire protection calculation software will enable spacing maximization and minimize material costs for designs while ensuring compliance with NFPA 13. The AFCON AF735 Bear Trap is part of ASC's industry-leading line of seismic bracing solutions. We are proud to provide a product that saves time and money in both the design and the installation of seismic bracing as required by NFPA 13 for fire sprinkler systems. To learn more, contact an ASC sales representative or visit us at asc-es.com.